Hello student, let's try to see the question number 10 of the chemical kinetics. What the question is saying, student, in a reaction between A and B, the initial rate of reaction or not was measured. So this is or not concentration they have given for a different initial concentration of A and B. So concentration of A they have given student 0.20, 0.20, 0.40, and B they have given 0.30, 0.10, 0.0, 0.05, and rate when the concentration of A and B was there, then this was this, and when concentration little change, then rate was the remain the same, and when concentration of 0.40 and 0.05, then the rate of little change. What is the order of reaction with respect to A and respect to B? So they are asking that is what is power of A, student? What is this value? What is going to be this value? What power will come out to be on A, and what power is going to be come out to be on B? Okay. So now, what is the rate, student? Rate of reaction is equal to K and concentration of reactant. This is the rate, student. So here we will consider, student, this case R1, this case R2, and this case R3. So whatever data we are going to use, this is for R1, this is the R2, and this data is for the R3, that you need to keep in mind. So we are writing R1, student, R1. So R1 is equal to, this is the K, concentration of A power suppose P, and B power it is going to be Q. So we need to put the value. So K, let it be constant K. A is 0.20, power what will be there, student, P. B is 0.30, power going to be Q. Okay, this is the R1, and then you divide with the R2. This is K, 0.20 power P, and 0.10 power Q. What are the rate constant they have given, student? 5.07 into 10 power minus 5, and this is 5.07 into 10 power minus 5. So dear student, what is going to happen? This is going to be cancel out, and this is going to be cancel out. So what is being left here? 0.30 upon 0.10, and power going to be P, and here is 1. If you divide this one, student, so it will go 3 power P is equal to 1. How the 1 is coming out, student? Anything power 1 means, suppose the anything power 0 means what is 1. So 3 power 0 means 1. So base we have to equal now. So 3 power P is equal to 3 power 0. Right? So that the 3 power 0 means 1. So P is equal to 0. Right? P equal to 0. So this is with respect to what the value we are getting, B. So order with respect to B is what is 0 order, dear students, 0 order reaction. Now student, what we are going to do, from third data, what will be from third data? R3 is equal to K, and here the concentration of A, student, 0.40 power P, and 0.05 power Q, and R value how much is there, student? 1.43 multiplied by 10 power minus 4. This is there. So if suppose I consider to be 1, this is considered to be 2, and this is considered to be 3. So we need to check which can be divided easily. So here 40 is there. Now we calculate the E1.40 is there. So we can use any of the equation, not a problem. You are going to get the same result, student. So you can use the equation number 2. So equation 3 divided by equation 2. So we are writing R2 value. So it is K, 0.20 power going to be B, 0.10 power going to be Q, and here is value 5.07 into 10 power minus 5. So dear student, this value is going to be cancelled out in 2 times. So 2 power Q and multiply by 1 power 5 to the 10, 2, and power this is going to be Q, equal to, if you divide this one, student, it is coming 2.8. that is. Now what we can do, student, since here this is, student, we have done little bit wrong here. What wrong here? The Q is there, this is Q value, this is Q equal to 0. So since Q equal to 0, so 2 power P multiply by 1 by 2 power 0 equal to 2.8. So this total term will be 1. So 2P is equal to 2.8. Taking log both side. So what will be there? Log 2P equal to log 2.8. So log, this is not actually 2P. Log 2 power P, this is the 2 power P, you can see. Log 2 power P. So it will be P log 2 is equal to log 2.8. So P is equal to log 2.8 upon log, what will be there, student? Log 2. Log 2.8 value, dear student, 0.45, and log 2 value 0.3010. So P is equal to, if you divide this one, it is coming 1.5. So order with respect to A is how much? 1.5. This is our required answer, student. Thank you very much for watching.